Hello everyone, this is lesson number 1, HSK free, and I welcome everyone to the new course for HSK free level. We will learn every word in this course in I think 60 lessons. So, because every chapter, we have 20 chapters in this book, standard course, and every chapter has about 20 words. So, we will split one chapter in 3 lessons. And let's start. We will learn from 3 examples for every word. So I think it will be optimal and not too much, not too short. The first one is 北方. 北方, it's a north. Because 北, it's north, like in Beijing. And 方, it's a site or destination or place, but mostly site. So 北方, north side, or just north. First one is I go the north to travel. 我去北方旅游。我去 I go to 北方 north for what? For 旅游 for traveling. Here's 旅游. I think it's noun here because we have a 去 like a verb, and because in English I go to the north to travel. Also we can say I go to north traveling. So 我去北方旅游. Next one, it's pretty short one. It's the north is very cold. 北方很冷，很冷. As you can see, free first one in a row. We need to change first one to second. So 北方很冷，很冷，很冷. It's not 冷, it's 冷，很冷. Very cold. Next one, he lives in the north. 他住在北方。he 住在 lives in 北方 north. So 他住在北方 he lives in the north. Okay, the next word for today is 作业. It's a homework. 作业. Don't misunderstand this with another 作 we also have, but here is for let's see, because let's see, let's see this one. As you can see, we still have this 昨天 we already saw it's yesterday. 昨天. But here is on the left side, they're different because here is a man, ren, here is the sun. Because it's 昨天, it's yesterday, so the sign already gone and something connected with sun. So be careful. Let's continue. Just a quick remind because in the beginning characters all look the same. The first one for today, I will add a bit more space. Here's too tight. I have a lot of homework to do. 我有 As you can see, 3 in a row, so we need to read. 我有很多作业要做. So 我有 I have 很多 a lot of 作业 it's a homework, so it's a noun. So 很多作业要做. So a lot of work I need to do. 要做 and be careful. Here is 做 fourth tone. Also fourth tone 做, but here is another character. Here is it means to do something. 做. 我有很多作业要做. So the first one, 我有很多作业要做. I need to do. Next one, I write homework on the weekend. 周末我写作业. 周末 on weekends 周末. So 周 it's a week. 末 it's end. 周末 it's end of the week. 我写 I write. 作业 my homework. So 周末我写作业. So on the weekend I write my homework. So I write my homework on the weekend. 周末我写作业. Here's 写 it's to do something, or also could translate like I do my homework on the weekend. 周末我写作业. Next one, he helps me do homework. 他帮我做作业. 他帮我是 or he helps me. 他帮我 forward for 做作业 to do homework 做作业. As you can see, you can see 写作业. Also, you can see 做作业. Also, both is correct. Next one is computer games. 电脑游戏. 电脑游戏. 游戏 it's a games. 电 it's a electricity. Now it's a brain. So 电脑 it's a electric brain or computer. 电脑游戏 computer games. It could be 手机游戏 mobile games, and so on. I like playing computer games. 我喜欢玩电脑游戏 So 我喜欢 I like 玩 to play 电脑 computers 游戏 games. 我喜欢玩电脑游戏. As you can see, here's some hard words, some advanced words. They have emphasized under the sentence. He's been playing computer games continuously. 他一直在玩电脑游戏. We have new word. It's 一直 continuously. I think we met once in a second, but still need to repeat. Of course, we need to repeat. 他一直 continuously, non-stop, constantly. 他一直在玩 playing. Here is 在 represent computer or present continuous. So not present, but still no, but continuous. So 他if you see 一直, it's always some words connected with continuous. So 他一直在玩 playing 在 because one it's to play, but 在玩 it's playing 电脑游戏. 他一直在玩电脑游戏. He playing computer games. Next one, I play computer games on the weekend. 周末我玩电脑游戏. 周末 on the end of the week. So 末 it's the end of some period. 周 it's a week. So 周末 on the weekends 我玩 I play 电脑游戏. 电脑游戏. Next one is also very interesting words. It's 面包 面包. As you can see, for 面包 bread. Here's 面 represent flour, and 包 represent some object with as you use like a bowl, but not a bowl. Let's see. It's, I think it's represent something bag, some like parcel, packet, handbag. Also, it could be a verb, wrap, package, pack something. So 面包 it's a bread. I eat bread in the morning. 我早上吃面包. So the first word, it's the first example. I eat bread in the morning. 我早上 in the morning 早上吃 to eat something. 面包 it's a bread. So 我早上吃面包 Second one, the bread is very tasty. 面包很好吃 So 面包 it's a bread and very 好吃 it's good to eat or tasty. 很好吃. Next one, he brings bread for me. 他带面包给我他带 here's 带 it's to bring something. Also has a lot of variations, let's see. But still, take, bring, carry, show, lead, back, wear, belt, bend. So popular is bring and take something. I think it's almost the same. He takes a bread for me, or he brings bread for me. 他带面包给我. He brings bread for me. Here's 给, not to give something, but for something, for someone. Next word is 地图 map. D, it's a earth or location, you can say, or place, some position maybe. 图, it's a picture. So 地图, it's a picture of earth or map. So it's obviously map. I look at the map to find the way. 我看地图找路 not 路 我看 I look 我看 it's to look at something. 地图 so I look at the map. 我看地图找路找 is to search something. 路 it's a path, it's a way, it's a road also could be. So here's just the way. 我看地图找路 Next one, the map has the north and the south. 地图上有北方和南方. Here is 地图上 represent the map has something, or you can say on the map I have something. So on the map 地图上有 there is or has 北方 north 和 and 和南方 it's a south. We still didn't learn, but 南 it's a south. So 地图上有北方和南方. That's could be. And next one, he takes the map for me. 他拿地图给我. 他拿 also could be take, like 带, but still has a bit different. Take, get, hold, have, bring. So I think you can see. Before we have 他带面包给我. He brings the bread for me. Here is just another variation. 他拿. You can also say 他拿面包给我. Or you can say 他拿地图给我. He takes the map for me. And last word for today, it's 周末. It's a weekend. And or is week and the end. 周末. I go traveling on the weekend. 周末我去旅游。周末 on weekends. 我去 I go to 旅游 for traveling. 周末我去旅游。Next one. I plan to revise on the weekend. 我打算周末复习。It's a bit advanced word. 复习 it's to repeat something. 复 it's to repeat something. 习 it's to practice to learn something. So 复习 it's to revise. 我打算 but don't need to pay attention on this word. Just concentrate on 周末。我打算 also 打算 it's to plan something. I think we have in HSK too. 我打算 I plan 周末 on the weekend 复习 to repeat. And last one for today it's you can see on the next lesson we start with 复习。周末很开心啊。周末 on the weekend and the weekend is very happy. 周末很开心，很开心。开心 it's very happy. It's very with a great joy. Has some different variation dependent on situation. Let's see. Happy, fun, delighted, cheerful, pleasant, enjoy, pleasure, laugh, joy, smile. So sometimes it could be adjective. Sometimes it could be verb. So here is adjective because we have a 很 where is something. So 周末很开心啊 and here's it's like 哈 or it's like exclamation point, you can say, for emphasizing or to translate, to transfer her attitude. So he's very happy. 周末很开心啊，很开心啊。Chinese people very like this type of modal particle. So let's repeat word for this lesson. The first one for today is 北方 north. Next one is 作业 it's a homework. Next one, it's a bit long. 电脑游戏 computer games. And next one, 面包 it's a bread 面包. Next one, 地图 the map of something, map of metro station, map of my home, my city. And last one is 周末 it's a weekend. So these 6 words for today. I still think we need to process this and see you in the next lesson. See you.